never heard of St. Peter's sand.
Oh, yeah.
The whole rock is made of St. Peter sandstone.
Well, you know, this whole area is.
That's right. There's very little water. Yep.
Okay, I grew up in this area never knowing it was so beautiful back here.
Christina, what did you think?
It's wonderful, breathtaking, almost like in the Rockies.
And Mom?
Oh, I too grew up around here, and I just never appreciated the beauty of it like I have today. But that's an edible one.
Feel out, Catherine. It's over here on the left. Starved Rock Campground Lodge.
Okay, let's go there.